It really was. It was a journey. Just we always have this kind of moment when we are moving toward a release. And it's, on one hand, really exciting to have the world open to you in terms of which direction are you going to go. And then it can also be daunting.
It can. And so when you get kind of on a vein of a direction for a certain feeling that you're after, and then you come across an artist who like just hits that vibe, it all comes together.
It's like we get so giddy.
Yeah, well, excited. And especially because we're picturing you guys using it.
Right.
And what you're going to do with it.
All the projects you guys are going to do.
That is totally, it lights us up.
It does.
This collection in particular, we're so excited about. It just is rich. It has these muted jewel tones, and it's like spicy, very much reminiscent of the palettes of like the Renaissance.
Yes, absolutely. And we've been picturing it on all of the different colors of paint that you guys are going to be using them on. And I really love the way it will pop against those lighter colors, but also really add some more depth and character to some deeper, richer colors.
So much. We pulled the florals together on this collection, but you know what? They're gonna really bloom when they're in your hands.
You guys know how beloved our Redoute is.
And when we say love, we mean
when we retired it, it was
difficult,
outrage, if you will.
It was
an outrage.
Our people.
There was a mutiny.
There was a mutiny, but they didn't know we had a plan.
We did. It was so hard not to tell you, but now you know. We have Redoute 2.
Yes, and it's
even
bigger,
better than the first one, if that is possible. It's a remix. It has some new colors in it to add some contrast, but it still has that heritage rose botanical feel to it that you have come to know and love with Redoute. So
he's the master. Can't deny.